Kikubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors, the all-new Altros. Now, with more exciting features. Ka any ride, ka app ban book taxi bat bike, ban pensuk ya ka let kawan katkum ka jingdon kam jongpi, namar bangi nyokor ya ka por jongpi. Download ya ka nega app na ka Play Store.
Hatu pikwa bagi janjong pikil kuit bha, benar kam, daka Oswell Soup, hilaban yo na barok kidukan.
Ka IZ Group of Institution Bangalore, kadai ke college babhatam nagabanta ke jingkuli nursing but paramedical course, hospital training, pinyo scholarship but 6% ka kam, haki hospital bahedo India but shabari. Nabanta ke jingkuli ka jingseo ka baret but hila ban legu ban kuli da ka education loan. Hila ruban chukola ho number khandai nyo saw san riu pranot. Lani khandai pran riu laisan, ar riu be khandai pra.
Pulit kila Pyntip bau beriu belapau Kyrteng haka Shithi Dawa Pisa kapala penkam syakaseng HNLC ulawan men Pyntip syaki Pulit bau umdan bentai bat umtip hiru nangnu kami ke Kyrteng jau Pulit kidang tokit bah halo ke jingsa priang kate ke Shithi banlap la gadai sisa ke Shithi jongka HNLC negadai kapala le ada giriu sim kabu kila maham ru ginu ba ai Pisa ne nok senyang syakinu ki seng be aj wala dalap bagidon ki banok senyang kin ngat kat kum ki kendon aj Pulit kila Pyntip ru bagi layok Jingtip sepang ke jing sepriang ke Shithi handai namar ba amdan buan ujor ijahar kim la ban lei
It is true that recently one demand note has surfaced and it is circulating and it was even reported in the media. The person purportedly whose name came out, he has denied his involvement. In fact, he has come to police headquarters yesterday also and he has denied. So we are further inquiring into it as to the veracity, whether it is true, as to whether his involvement is there or not, or somebody else may have used his name for serving these demand notes. So we are inquiring into that. See, we cannot rule out at this stage because, as we said, we are inquiring into this matter, and only once we inquire and investigate into this matter fully, then we will be able to find out. Like I said before, the person whose name appeared, apparently, he has denied that it is not him. And in fact, he reported yesterday to police headquarters also. Now, whether these are genuine HNLC demand notes or somebody is taking advantage, using the name of HNLC for the serving demand notes, that we will uncover when we investigate further into this case. Number one, any donation to an unlawful association. HNLC is an unlawful association. So they will be liable. Any form of donation, help, contribution, they will be liable. So anyone donating, contributing, and if we get to know, and we have proof that they are donating, we will take action as per law. Even as of now, HNLC is an unlawful association. Yes, we have had reports of such demand notes being served. Unfortunately, nobody has come forward to file an FIR or to report properly to the police. Now, unless these are just rumors which are circulating, because as of now there are no verifiable facts to substantiate these allegations as of now, because no one has actually. Some businessmen, they have claimed that they may have claimed that they were extorted, they was given these demand notes, but they themselves have not come forward to the police to reveal as to whether they have actually got these demand notes or from whom, etc. They have not come forward. So no action can be taken as of now. On a specific case, of course, we are inquiring into this general allegation, but as of now, we have not had any instance of a very specific case being reported to us. That is always the modus operandi of all the militant groups. And if you recall, recently you must have noticed that there was a fake GNLA also. And we found out later when they were actually arrested, they were just laborers. So in today's world where everyone has access to smartphones and with just some sort of photoshopping and posting some sort of demand note, so we cannot ascertain unless because at the end of the day, we also get to know through our intelligence sources that certain demand notes have been served. Now, but we cannot authenticate whether that is it is a genuine demand note or whether it has been photoshopped and somebody is playing mischief with it. So unless we get a very specific report, then only we will be able to investigate. The problem with photoshopped messages which are being circulated in social media is that it is forwarded hundreds of times. It is difficult to find out the origin of that particular picture or a demand note or anything of that sort. So unless the person who is the first recipient of that particular note, he comes to us, and then only we will be able to verify.